Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Today I have another exciting video for you guys. Today I'm going to be doing the Aaliyah J challenge. So basically Aaliyah J posted a video where she did her makeup in 12 minutes, I think it was, and I was like, sis, how, Sway, how? So I wanted to do my take on it and see if I can do my makeup in under 15 minutes. I think she did hers in 12 minutes. That's crazy. I'm gonna try 15 minutes and see if I can do it. This is how the face turned out, but stay tuned for the video for the tutorial and to see if I actually beat the clock. This video is going to be a voiceover because I cannot talk and do my makeup in under 15 minutes, but I'm not going to fast forward or anything. I'm just going to let the clip play. You guys will see the timer. I'll have it on the screen so that you guys know, like, really and truly how long it took me to do this. If you guys are interested, I think this video is going to be super fun. I'm doing a nice, easy, soft glam look. Anybody could recreate this look. I'll have all the products that I use in the description box below. So let's just get right on into the video. Okay, you guys, I officially did my makeup. Full face, no lashes, 15 minutes, did eyeshadow and everything, period. Okay, so I think that sums up this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. This video was super fun to do. I never do like challenges or anything like this, so it was really fun to try to like beat the clock and see if I could really do my makeup in 15 minutes like how Aaliyah J does. And girl, this was a struggle. This was a real struggle. I like to sit, enjoy doing my makeup, take my time, you know, blend a little extra. And for this, I felt like I was in a real rush. Like, it just, I don't know, it heightened my senses and it just made me feel so crazy. But I'm really happy that I did it because I proved to myself that I don't need to take hours to do my makeup like I normally do. I could just get it done in 15 minutes and that's it. And also, soft glam is really popular right now, so I wanted to recreate this look I've done on my channel before and just see if I can do it in 15 minutes or less. And I did it with 2 seconds to spare, okay? So if you guys like this kind of content, feel free to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and make sure you turn on your post notifications so that you never miss an upload. And I will see all of you beautiful people in my next one. Bye.